In this video, I'll explain the course project on the impact of computing innovations. There are 4 parts to the project, including a proposal, a website, a presentation, and a reflection. For the proposal, early in the course, you'll work with your instructor to propose a computing innovations topic based on material covered in the introductory lesson. Some example computing innovation topics may include social media, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, wearable technology, the Internet of Things, and many, many others. So part 1 of the project should be completed at the beginning of the course. For the website, a number of the assignments throughout the course will help you develop a website about the impact of your computing innovations topic. You'll be asked to answer some questions and provide insight into the impacts of your computing innovations topic. And you'll be instructed to include computing artifacts on your website that you've created or collected throughout the course, like images, videos, charts, and surveys. For the presentation, you may be instructed to create a video presentation where you record your screen showing your website and your voice narrating the main points, or you may be asked to do a live oral presentation of your project to your instructor and other students. Finally, you'll be asked to reflect on the process used to complete your final project by describing the process used to find information for your project and explaining how you reused computational artifacts throughout the course to support your final project outcome. Let's take a closer look at the website specifications. Now, your specific instructions may vary from what I'm presenting today, so be sure to read through your assigned project instructions carefully to note any differences and ask your instructor if you need clarification. During the course, you were asked to create a Google site that included a homepage and an impact page. You were also asked to add your logo, banner, and animation. In this part of the project, you'll be adding to that website that you created earlier in the course. On the homepage, you're going to add prompt A, indicate the name of the innovation, and provide a clear description of its intended purpose. Recall that you answered these question prompts in a previous assignment, so you can go back to that assignment to easily copy your response and paste it on your website. In this project, you're mostly just pulling together many of the artifacts that you already created in the course. However, if you didn't complete all of the course assignments, you may have some extra work to do here. On the impacts page, you're going to add the question prompts for B, C, and D and your responses to them. You may also need to embed a video, add a chart, embed your survey, and add your own original chart based on your survey data. You'll need to add a new page to your site called Technical Aspects and add the question prompts and your responses for E and F, and include a relevant graphic or video that supports your answers. Finally, you'll need to create a new page for your references, which again should have been completed in a previous assignment. Now let's take a look at an example student website based on the impact of email on society. Here's the home page that includes the logo, the banner, and the animation that were all created in a previous assignment. It also includes the question for prompt A and the response to prompt A. Now let's take a look at the impact page. I'll use the navigation here, and you'll notice that the impact page uses the same banner and logo as the home page. You'll also notice that the question prompts are prominently displayed using headlines, and the responses are formatted as smaller paragraph text. Using consistent formatting and styling across the website will help keep things organized, and it's an important best practice when creating websites. You'll see here that the student included the prompts for B and C, as well as a video and some text explaining how the video is relevant to their impact of email topic. They also included an external graph from the internet and their own original chart that was based on the data collected from their survey. They also embedded their impact of email survey on the website and included the question and response for prompt D. Now let's take a look at the technical aspects page. And you can see here that the student included the question and answer prompts for E and F, as well as a diagram that's relevant to their response. And the last page is the references page. This page includes the references that were used in researching the project. And you can see here that the reference page includes the reference number, the author, the title, and a URL, as well as the year. It also includes annotations addressing the reference's currency, relevancy, authority, accuracy, and purpose, which are important to demonstrate information literacy. Finally, let's take a look at the presentation requirements. Again, your instructor will let you know which format your presentation will be in. It will likely either be a video presentation or a live oral presentation. Generally, your presentation should be about 5 to 10 minutes long. In addition to presenting your prompts and main points of your research, you may also be asked to describe how you created your website using Google Sites and explain the similarities and differences between using Google Sites versus HTML and CSS. You should also explain how your Google site is stored, edited, and accessed on the web. You should describe the graphics that you used, including the tools and techniques used to create them. You should go through each page and each prompt, dedicating enough time to make your main points about the impact of your innovation, including showing your references page and your most useful resources. And finally, you should address any other graphics, charts, surveys, and videos that were used, explaining their relevance to the project.